Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing some hair from CURLSQUEEN. They specialize in making textured clip-ins for black natural hair. This is what I got in the package, and this hair can be colored, bleached, and dyed to suit whatever you want it to look like. And unlike some other clip-in companies, for this particular brand, you only need one bundle for your entire head. It comes with 10 clip-ins. Alright, so let's get into this hair, okay? Because I'm ready. I'm ready for this hair to look right. The hair I'm going to try today, the hair code is CQ008, and this is their 100% Indian virgin hair, but the texture is the Coarse Kinky blowout clip-ins. So I got this in 20 inches, and the color is like a natural black. So this is the way the hair looks. I've taken away the bands. And it looks really full, and that's a good thing, so you have enough for your entire head. These are supposed to be 10 clip-ins in this bundle, so let me see. Yeah, so this is 10 in here, y'all. I'm about to look. Wow. The reason you only need one bundle for your head is because it is double wefted, so that is really good and that makes it really full. So what I'm going to do right now is put some shampoo inside warm water and wash these clip-ins, and then put it on a towel to soak off the water, and then let it dry a bit more, and then put some conditioner. That's usually how I wash my extensions. Now let's get into styling. So right here I'm just doing a simple middle part. I want minimal leave out. You guys, like, my hair has been doing so well, I just feel like I want to protect it, and these clip-ins are a good way to do so without leaving out a lot of hair. So I'm just going to section off my middle part as well as my sides in front, so I have these clip-ins blend seamlessly. And if you notice, I did not dye these clip-ins yet, but my hair is a bit darker, so I definitely see myself dyeing it a bit more, like a black color to fit my own hair. Now I'm just going to sort of tuck in the big braids at the back with some bobby pins, and yeah, that is basically all I did. And this works because I can just oil my hair, keep it moisturized, and only have minimal leave out. That was the goal for this particular extensions. Now I'm just layering the clip-ins from the back. With clip-ins, as I always say, I just literally do trial by error. I don't know which size or length will fit. I just basically layer it as I go. And if you notice, I am staggering it from the front like this. That way my front leave out can also blend really well. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a bit. Look at that. So you have to stagger it facing forward. And basically that's what I did until I got to the front. I think staggering it is like the big thing for me, just so I can have that flawlessness in front of it. And y'all just keep watching closely. This is pretty much self-explanatory, but if you have questions, let me know down below. This is how I did my clip-ins, and yeah, that's all I just kept doing until I filled my entire head. As you all can see, these clip-ins were more than enough for my entire head, so that's pretty good. So here I quickly went in with some heat protector spray. I didn't want to originally, but as you can see, it helps a little bit. I do need to figure out a better way to straighten my hair. If you all have recommendations, let me know down below. But I quickly did that, and I did it in layers so I don't have to apply much heat. Again, my straightener is on low, so my hair should be okay. I rarely straighten it anyway, so yeah, pretty happy that I only had to straighten like a small section. So I did that just to blend the hair more a little bit, and I think it came out pretty good. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I did a simple middle part that is very easy to do, which also lets me do a variety of styles with this particular look. I really like how it turned out. I didn't want to straighten my hair too much because I just blow dried it, but that usually helps to stretch it a little bit. But you know, after a couple of days, natural hair just starts like puffing out again. Again, this hair is from CURLSQUEEN. All the details about this product will be down in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. And while you're down there, make sure you use my code OGO and save 10% off of your purchase. And as you do that, you guys let me know what you think about this hair. Leave me comments down below and I'll respond as soon as possible. You hit that subscribe button as well. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I always appreciate it. This just gets you notified when I have new videos as I keep trying to get better at my content and also, you know, be more consistent with it. And make sure you also give me a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.